friends, welcome back. After so many days, I am talking with all of you. That also in front of my camera where tripod is there, because when they came, मैंने सब कुछ ऐसा I kept everything in my storeroom because I don't want that the camera will be there, the lights will be there, or it feels really uneasy. But anyhow, you all are enjoying my vlogs right now, and thank you all for so much love. I knew that अगर मैं और एक रोज व्लॉग नहीं करती, so many of you were sending me emails that Payal, how are you, and I am very sorry क्योंकि I was so tired yesterday and we had to do a lot of cleanup, so I thought नहीं, I won't be doing any vlogs क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारा काम था. But thank you all for showing so much love. And yeah, back to my routine, and definitely my chachi, she gave me one kurti and one shawl I will share with all of you. And back to routine, right? She left already. My hubby is going a little bit late, so it's around 8:30. I already made the breakfast and I had packed lunch for them. I gave both of them noodles today, and my hubby will be going right now, so let me prepare. His breakfast is done. Let me just place everything. Now I am going for walk and then lot of other things, and I'll just show you the flower. Like lot of peonies are coming, and see the back to normal routine. And really, when they came, I didn't go for shopping one day also, and everything was perfect. I don't know, like this time the meal planning was so good. Like I think so I just chopped one onions and little bit of tomatoes, and बाकी मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया. So now everything is over and I have to go to a lot of places. But first I will go for a walk. So I'm planning to walk for 1.5 hours. And yeah, when my uncle came, as he is a diabetic specialist, and I don't know, he has been a doctor for such a long time and he has so many years of experience. So I just asked him about the fruits, about the smoothie that I drink daily, and I just told him that I don't add any sugar to it. I just like mix all the fruits, and he was like, yeah, you can have this as many times as you want. So many of you like keep me inquiring that Payal, is it good to have smoothie? Definitely. He's like, see, it's a fruit. अगर आप जूस बनाते हो, then also it's a fruit. And he's like, drink as many as you want. As they also came, and I know that they love fruits, so मैंने बहुत सारा fruits, I purchased a lot of fruits. And ऐसा तो मेरे घर में fruits हर वक्त रहता ही है. So that's what I was like. I was just asking him that kya, like, can we have smoothie one time or two time? And he was like, you are not adding anything, it's a fruit, jitna marzi khao. So this was my small information. Let me go now and let's start walking. And right now I am walking in the trail after so many days, and like today I have the enthu to walk, and I know many of you always say me that Payal, is it safe? So it's very safe, and this trail is very beautiful. Like they have, like the trees are arranged in such a way that in summer you will never feel like it's totally in shade, no need to wear any sunglasses or any hats. And let me see how much I can walk today. I am walking and ये जगह बहुत अच्छा है. Yeah, only sometimes you can see some deers, and if your luck is too bad you can see some coyotes, but generally coyotes, like it's like fox, they don't come out in morning time. But yeah, if you walk here, like you are off the road and you can walk I don't know how many miles. Like Rai and her dad, they come here and they do cycling also sometimes. And most of the people, they come here to do cycling actually. Yeah, like they are doing cycling now. So I'll walk for another maybe 1 hour, and in the meantime bore लगता है, so what I do is I'm talking with my mom and definitely listening to some music. So finally I am back home, and today the weather is really nice. It's little bit hot, but बहुत ही अच्छा है. At least it's not raining and all that. So let me go first. I'll take a shower and then मुझे बाहर जाना है.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause I can concentrate anytime you're beside.
So now I'm picking some flowers for my home, and these flowers are so beautiful and they have a beautiful smell, and I'll have a lot of flowers, so always I give some to my neighbors. So finally I am back. I did a lot of shopping, and today I purchased one bamboo plant I'll keep it in my workplace. I don't know, I wanted to buy bamboo plant for such a long time. Like always I used to see and I used to like kya hoga, then I don't know, today I just felt like buying और मैंने खरीद लिया. So I don't know anything. Why should we keep bamboo plant? Please, if you know, just write down on the comment section. But I think so it is something related to luck, right? So I'm planning it to keep in my study or my hubby's study, I don't know, but I really like it. बहुत ही cute है, and I thought these are the real flowers, and I know that bamboo plant में तो कोई flowers नहीं होता है, so these are fake flowers, so which is looking really beautiful. And मैंने बहुत सारा shopping किया. So now for not lunch, like combo ही बोल सकते lunch या dinner. So I'm planning to make a spinach chola. I'm planning to make a spinach chola rice. Like I'll make like a pulao and I'll make some raita क्योंकि बहुत it's really hot, so अच्छा लगेगा खाने में. And I talked with my kaki also, and like Oh, sorry, my phone is ringing. Today I talked with my kaki also. Like I did WhatsApp video, and she was like, "Payal, please give your number. I can't write in this WhatsApp and all, but yeah, I know how to do video." So I talked with her, and they reached, and now definitely the journey is very big. So वो लोग they are feeling very tired, and they went to India. As many of you were saying that कहाँ गए वो लोग, so they went to India. Like one of my brother who stays in San Francisco, so first they came to their son's house, and then they came to visit me in New York, and after that अभी वो लोग चले गए हैं. And let's make, I don't know, I'm totally confused. First I thought कि मैं spinach chola बनाऊंगी, then I thought कि let's make some rice peanut something ऐसा कुछ, let's make some pulao type. So to make the palak chole rice, here I have already added some oil, and when the oil is hot I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then I will be adding some chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. Here I have around 1 onions and 1.5 chopped tomatoes, and I'll mix them well. So once when everything is cooked, at the time I will add around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and I'll mix everything nicely. So once when my ginger garlic paste is cooked, at the time I will add some turmeric powder, red chili powder. I'm adding little bit of garam masala, red chili powder. Definitely if you want you can add more red chilies. And now I am adding half tablespoon of chana masala mix, and now I'll mix everything nicely so that the masalas are fried nicely. It's very important that you fry the masala very nicely. So once my masalas are fried, at that time I have added boiled chole and 1 bunch of spinach. And then I will add some chopped cilantro, that is coriander leaves. And now I have added the rice, and before the rice, sorry, I have added around half tablespoon of lemon juice. And then I am adding some green chilies, little bit of salt, and I'll cover it and let the rice cook. So in the meanwhile, let me start arranging. Whenever you do grocery shopping, you have to arrange a lot of things. And yeah, always I try to clean up my fridge. नहीं तो fridge में हर वक्त like some of the leftover food always stays. So whenever I do grocery, I clean up my fridge. And here I am making raita. And my kaki told me that when you make raita, add little bit of rock salt. इससे taste बहुत अच्छा होता है, and definitely add little bit of sugar. So I've seen that this combination works really well, and I didn't add any green chilies as Rai can't have it, and she loves raita more than anyone. So now going to get Rai, and the pulao is looking really nice. पता नहीं खाने में कैसा होगा. Once I come back, I will show you all. Oh my god, it's too much. And now I am the student, and Rai is my mummy, right? Yeah. She is my mummy, and I am the student. Bag, water bottle.
That's a water.
Yeah. You're hungry? No. And my rice is cooked perfectly. I'll just show you all. See, it's perfect, and hopefully it tastes good also. So first I am giving Rai, as she can eat anything, whatever I make in home, like, and she loves raita, and I'll also be having the same thing. and it's actually really nice, really light for summers. Yeah, it's called a bamboo tree, right? And do you think these flowers are real? No, they are artificial. Chalo.
I can actually that.
Yeah, I also thought those are real, you know. But see, those are artificial.
Yeah.
And if you know that how should I take care, please write down on the comment section. I know many of you might be having this. ये तो बहुत ही common है. I think so. We should give very less water in this one. Anyhow, oh God, it's no. We should give little bit of water. It's alive. Oh my God, and it is so hot. Yeah. And I think so this is looking quite good. I'll take out this one. Yeah. And I'll keep this one in my study now. And I think so it's looking good, right? And many of you were asking me that Pahil what Didi or Kaki bring from India. So definitely I will share with all of you. So that's what, let's go down and I will show you. So I got the things here because down again I have to take my camera and light, and here the lighting is perfect. 1 second. Kiya je babu?
And then go down.
Yeah, go down and take a shower, okay? Wait, I'll show you all. So this is the kurti which she got, and it's really very beautiful. Only this is little bit big, so I have to like go to the tailor and make it little bit in my size because the hands are little big for me. Other than that everything is fine, but I like the design. बहुत अच्छा है, and definitely when I go to temple and all I can wear it. And then she gave me a shawl. Now this is a Muga shawl. I don't know how many of you know, but Muga shawl देखने में बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. And these shawls are really light. So this is a Muga shawl which I can wear during winter time in top of when I go to Durga Puja and all. For the things. And now I'm really tired, and मैं क्या बोलने वाली थी? Yeah, and what is that? The thing which I've made, the chole, rice, everything combination turned out really nice. It's very light recipe, perfect for summer, but I think so I should have added more chole. My chole was little less compared to the rice, but other than that everything is fine and it's perfect for summer, I'll say, because बहुत ही light था. Let me go now, and फिर Rai has her exam, 2 exams she has, so पढ़ाई करना है along with her. So that's it for today, everyone. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Actually now I'm not feeling well, I don't know why. maybe due to sudden change of weather, like till yesterday also it was cold and today it is very hot anyhow. I'm not feeling well, so I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that like button and please comment down below, and those of you who are watching me for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.